Uh, as I stand here today, both as a member of the Board of Trustees, and more important, as a father, like most of the parents here, I find almost impossible to believe that my son's school education has come to an end. 14 years gone in a flash, in an instant, in the blink of an eye, and yet before us, 192 lives have been transformed, developed, and inspired. Our children are no more. Let us pause for a moment. This is the final time you will sit here as students of ASF. Look around, look at your classmates, look at your teachers, at your friends. This is your community, this is your family, this is forever your home. This moment matters. You will always remember it. Today is a milestone. Actually, today is one of life's most important milestones. The concept of a milestone comes from Roman times. They were experts at building roads, and they will count 1,000 steps, a mile, and mark that point with a stone, hence a milestone. These milestones help travelers track progress along their journeys. In life, some events are milestones that help us keep track of our journeys. Today's milestone marks a journey into adulthood. You have spent your life, your childhood at ASF. You have played, laughed, cried, you have learned, you have made your best friends, fallen in love, falling out of love, you have grown. And now, from today onwards, you go into the world as adults. You have been transformed from carefree kids into responsible adults. Let's talk about responsibility. Responsibility is not just an obligation, it's a capability. It's a superpower. In life, you do not control what happens to you, but you can control how you respond. Responsibility is your ability to respond. It's our ability to respond to life's challenges. Responsibility is the essence of humanity. We have the capability to plan, to think, to respond, not by instinct, but by decision. That is what differentiates us from animals. This is our superpower. You develop your responsibility through education. That has been the mission of ASF, to shape a community of young people who grow to become responsible adults. Individuals prepared to think critically, act decisively, and contribute to society. This message is for the class of 2025. My voice is breaking.
¡Vamos, Leo!
This message is for class of 2025, but especially for my son. Life hands you a limited amount of time, and also hands you a unique deck of cards. You get to play in life with that deck of cards, but you don't know for how long. What you know is that life has given you a very lucky hand. So what are you gonna do with it? To me, life purpose is to become all you can be, to grow to the max of your potential. Right now, you don't know your potential. You don't know your limits unless you push and try. Until you try, and you try, and you try, and then you will know. So take risks, do things, make mistakes, Accumulate scar tissue and learn. Know that when one door closes, another opens. And if you're going to fail, fail big. You only live once. And if you're scared, just do it scared, but do it. True failure in life is not missing a goal. True failure is not trying. In a world obsessed with instant gratifications, with likes and clicks, many demand success without doing the work. Remember, you're the result of your actions. Understand that you have something meaningful to contribute to the world. You're not here to take, you're here to give. The true measure of value is not how many you have defeated, but how many you have lifted. Know also that confidence is half of the game. Confidence is not positive thinking. It comes from doing difficult stuff and not quitting. Confidence comes from keeping the promises you make to yourself. So push yourself. How do you do one thing is how you do everything. So do everything to the best of your ability. Don't focus on happiness and rewards. Focus on service, and happiness and rewards will follow. In the wise words of Winnie the Pooh, when asked, what matters more, the journey or the destination, he replied, the company. Some people are bees, and they search for honey. Others are flies, and you know what they search for. You're a bee. Surround yourself with bees. It's a fact that you tend to become like the people you spend more time with. So now that you're off to college, one of the most important choices you will make is who you spend time with. Choose wisely. And always remember, you cannot make a good deal with a bad person. Don't surround yourself with bad people. In relationships, don't be afraid to commit and to love. Finally, your most precious resource is not money, it's time. You can always make more money, you can never make more time. Time gone is gone forever. Make most of the time you have. Class of 2025, this diploma is not your finish line, it's your starting gun. Embrace the struggle, serve without expecting reward, and congratulations, now go and make your life count.
¡Bravo!